Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aditya Pramanda Tiawan. I will present my presentation, and the title is The Love of the Main Character as seen in Nick Hornby's Fever Pitch, a psychological approach. First, background of the study. Researchers choose the novel as the material for several reasons. First, because there are similarities between researcher and the main character who love football, and also as a fan of Arsenal Football Club. From the novel, researcher can studying how the condition of the supporter from the past, not only from the supporter side but also in terms of football development. Second, because the life story of the main character in the novel, it is about how the author direct and develop the main character, ranging from childhood until he married and got family. And the last is researchers are interested in taking good lesson and good message in the novel because there are many things to learn from Nick Hornby's story in the novel, starting from how Nick can deal with the family conflict, then grow up as a kid who spend a lot of his time in rivalry, and then become a football fan, and then become a man, a partner from his wife. The next reason why researchers choose the psychological approach as an approach in the study is because the approach of psychology emphasizes more on research on psychiatry. This study want to discuss more in feelings of love and elements of conflict and personality that are part of psychiatric element. So the researcher tends to want to use a psychological approach rather than any other approach. Next is identification of the problem. There are 5 identification of the problem. The first is the characterization of the main character, and the second is the plot of the story, and the third is the love of the main character in the novel. Fourth is the moral value that can be taken from his story in the novel, and the last is the character educational value that can be taken from the story. Limitation of the problem. Researcher limit the problem into third. The first is the plot of Nick Hornby's Fever Pitch novel, and then the second is the love of Nick Hornby as the main character in the novel, and the last is the character educational value in Nick Hornby's Fever Pitch novel that can be applied in English teaching. Formulation of the problem. Researchers have 3 formulation of the problem. The first is how is the plot of the novel, and then how is the love of the main character in the novel, and what are the educational values of Nick Hornby's favorite novel that can be applied in English teaching. Next. Okay, good. Objective of the study. There are 3 objectives. The first is to describe the plot of the novel, and then to describe the love of Nick Hornby as the main character in the novel, and to describe the educational values that can be applied in English teaching. Oh, there are some relevant theories to explain character and characterization and psychological approach, plot, love, and the last is educational value. Next, please. Next. Okay, and the next is type of research. This research categorized into library research. All the data sources are taken from library, except the internet sources. A library method is kind of method in research that is conducted by reading the sources such as a book, article, journal, and many more. Research subject and object. The subject of this research is a novel with title Fever Pitch by Nick Hornby. The novel was published by Indigo in 1996. It contains 247 pages. And the object of the research is the love of the main character, as seen in Nick Hornby's Fever Pitch novel. The researcher used the descriptive qualitative method because it related to the data that taken from the main character, who doesn't have the calculation or statistically procedure, and it will be analyzed psychologically. Next, please. Research subject and object. Oh, data collecting method. In collecting data, the researcher does some step to collect as follows. The first step is reading the novel carefully several times to understand the content of the novel, to catch the main idea and find the problem in the story. The second step is open digital library to get some information. The researcher visit the digital libraries to read some sources that conduct to the study, make some notes, observe the novel carefully, critically, and repeatedly. The third step is selecting data. All the data that related to the topic were used to reference to support the research, such as a book, a journal, and internet sources, are selected and analyzed to answer the problem formulation. And data analyzing method. In analyzing data, the researcher used the descriptive qualitative analysis. The descriptive qualitative research is the technique that's stated by quotation, or it can be described by explanation. And after data are gathered, a psychological approach is also used to analyze characterization and the love of the main character, as seen in Nick Hornby's Fever Pitch novel. Is it the last? Oh, I think that's all. I beg your pardon for my mistake. Billahi fisabilil haq fastabikul khairat. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and thank you.